Hey guys, this is Alvin Mark. Welcome back to the studio. Today I'll be doing a figure drawing demo for 5-minute poses, and I'll be covering the various stages leading up to that 5-minute pose. So if you like stuff like that, stay tuned. A few of you have mentioned that you've seen me sketch, figure drawing sketch, but you don't really see the breakdown. And I have two reasons for you why I do that. First reason being time is of the essence. When I'm out there, I just want to capture that pose, so I'm doing it real quick. Also, the background, the ground or the foundation work has been done during my figure drawing sessions. I do go for frequent figure drawing sessions, and that's when I break things down for myself, doing the gesture, construct and anatomy. So when I'm out there, I'm not thinking about this step-by-step process. I'm just going in and just doing it, making it happen. So if you do notice that in my figure drawing sketches, I skip the steps, and that's because I do the foundational work frequently enough that I am comfortable or I feel confident in skipping some of the earlier stages. So in this episode, we're going to do a few 5-minute poses, and you're going to see very clearly the step-by-step process of how I get my figures from scratches to something that's more anatomically sound. Watch on. Alright guys, so in this demo you get to see two 5-minute sketches from me. The first one will be in real time, so you actually get to feel a whole 5 minutes and how I pace out the 3 different segments from gesture to articulation. For those of you who are interested in more information about figure sketching, do check out my Sketching on the Move map. I will leave the information down in the description box. So in this second 5-minute sketch, the timing has been sped up 350 times. So notice that in this sketch, I did the construct for the upper part of the body, and then after, for the legs, I just winged it, or rather I was confident of sketching the legs in articulation stage, so I totally skipped the construct stage. So that's it, folks. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this episode, you know what to do. Also, let me know in the comments what you specifically learned or enjoyed in this video. Until the next episode, guys. Ciao, ciao.